Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your theme in 5 single steps. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. So let's go. I am in my Shopify homepage right now. So we just have to go to online store, click on options, edit default theme content, just search Powered here. And you can see that here powered by Shopify is written. So let me show you first how it is right now in our theme. So as you can see, there is powered by Shopify link on our footer, which we don't want to keep. So let's just enter the space and enter save button. Now let's open the preview again. And it is removed. Very simple.